Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear guys, dear students, error in the use of verbs and tenses. In tenses, we often use wrong tenses in our spoken English and in our writing English. So, here are some videos on this channel. You can watch these videos and make up your errors in the English spoken course. Brave Mian spoken English course free. Error in the use of verbs and tenses be Brave Mian. We use incorrect. In the first column, there are incorrect sentences we use in our conversation. And in the second column, there is a correction. We should use correct phrases when we are speaking, because the English is a very lovely language and we should not devalue it using wrong sentences and incorrect phrases. The sentence number 1, do not speak a lie. Do not tell a lie. Correct use. Do not tell a lie. Do not tell a lie. Open the knot. Untie the knot. गिरा खोल दो. Untie the knot. Look this word in the dictionary. Look up. Look this word in the dictionary. Incorrect. The correct use is look up this dictionary in the dictionary. Look up this word in the dictionary. I hanged the picture on the wall. I hung the picture on the wall. Hang is other word. The murderer was hung. The murderer was hanged. Here the right word, hanged. He has given his examination. He has taken his examination. He has taken his examination. She has taken admission in the college, She has got admission in college, not taken, got. He denied to go there. He refused to go there, refused. We should use refuse. She has been laying in bed for 3 hours. Laying. Wrong word. She has been lying in bed for 3 hours. Lying. Do not make friendship with selfish persons. Friendship. No friendship. Do not make friends with selfish persons. They have gone to take your leave. They have gone to take leave of you. They have gone to take leave of you. Mr. Aslam with his wife and children live there. We should use the verb according to Mr. Aslam. Mr. Aslam with his wife and children lives there. Lives. The mother with daughters have comma. We should use the verb according to the mother. The mother with daughters have come. The mother with her daughters has come. A number of boys is absent. A number of boys, because it is a plural noun, are absent. Number of boys are absent. The majority of the members is absent. The majority of members are absent. Are, not is. The majority in Pakistan are poor. The majority in Pakistan is poor. 2 and 2 makes 4. 2 and 2 make 4. 2. I made him to stand. I made him to stand. I made him stand. There is no need of to. You had better to go to the doctor. You had better to go to the doctor. You had better go to the doctor. Not to go to the doctor. He dare not to say a word. He dare not say a word. You need not to go there. You need not go there. You need not go there. He would rather to die than to beg. He would rather die than beg. He would rather die than beg. We should avail of this chance. We should avail ourselves of this chance. We should avail ourselves of this chance. He absented from the class. He absented himself from the class. They went to the fair and enjoyed. They went to the fair and enjoyed. They went to the fair and enjoyed themselves. I work hard, lest I fail. I work hard, lest I should fail. Should. We should use should. We should use should. He said that he can help me. He said that he could help me. He said that he can help me, not can, could. He said that he could help me. He is suffering from fever for 10 days. When there is a condition with the tenses, we should use the perfect continuous tense. He has been suffering from fever for 10 days. She is ill for 10 days. She has been ill for 10 days. She has been ill for 10 days. He said that he can help me. He said that he could help me. He is suffering from fever for 10 days. He has been suffering from fever for 10 days. She is ill for 10 days. She has been ill for 10 days. The workers are on strike for a week. The workers have been on strike for a week. Have been, not are. He has come here yesterday. He came here yesterday. They had met us 2 days ago. They met us 2 days ago. Not had. There is no need of had. They visited Lahore some days before. They had visited Lahore some days before. Lahore is a beautiful city of Pakistan, and it is also capital of Punjab province of Pakistan, and also city of Mian Shahbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Pakistan. He had gone there yesterday. He went there yesterday. I had not written any letter last night. I did not write any letter last night. I did not. I lived in this house since 2009. I had been living in this house since 2009. Have been living. If you will come to me, I will help you. If you come to me, I will help you. He did nothing but played. He did nothing but play. Thank you very much. Please, my dear friends, I hope that you are in your good health. Please subscribe my channel. I shall be very thankful to you. Okay. Take it easy. Take the life easy and be happy.